Alex is working with a large Python dataset. Everything looks correct. The code starts running. But after a few moments, Python suddenly crashes. This error is called memory error, and it happens when Python runs out of available memory. Think of it like this: Alex has a backpack. The backpack can hold books, a laptop, and some notebooks. But if he keeps adding more and more items, eventually the backpack becomes full. Nothing else can fit inside. Python feels the same way. Every variable, list, dictionary, and object consumes memory. When a program asks for more memory than the system can provide, Python raises memory error. One common cause is loading the huge files into memory all at once. If the file is extremely large, the program may run out of memory. A better approach is processing data in smaller chunks. Now, only a small portion of files stays in a memory at a time. Another common cause is creating extremely large lists. A large list can consume a huge amount of RAM. Generators are often a better solution. Unlike lists, generators create value only when needed. This uses far less memory. Memory error is especially common in data analysis, machine learning, large CSV processing, and big file operations. Even experienced developers encounter it. Whenever you see memory error, check these things. Are you loading too much data at once? Can the data be processed in chunks? Can generators be used instead of large lists? Most memory errors are solved by reducing memory usage. Alex processes the data in smaller pieces, runs the program again, and everything works perfectly. Problem solved.